Hello everyone, hope found it doing great. Let's talk about how we can configure MAC filtering using our wireless access point, or we can say wireless modem as well. Whatever access point that you have, you may encounter this option while you're accessing your wireless access point, wireless modem, wireless router, wireless controller. The procedure is same, but we're going to configure the wireless modem as well, the firewall portion. With help of firewall portion, we can block the client as well. All right, so in here, if I come to wireless, so if I come to wireless security, I have so what is the SSID name? The SSID name is wireless security. Let me turn on my phone and connect my phone with this access point. All right, I just connect my phone to this access point. It seems everything is okay. Here is the range of IP. There you go, 192.168.0.101. And here is the MAC address, guys. If you look at in here, the MAC address, the last four digit of MAC address is AB85. All right, I just connect to this access point and let's see what's gonna happen. When I come in here and here you go. So you can see in here there's a two device connect to this. I can say connect to this device. This is the MAC address of my neighbors. So this guy asked me like, hey, do you mind to give me access to internet only for a while because our internet is not okay, and I just want to make sure that we are not uh, left behind. All right, I just copied the MAC address in here. I'm coming to MAC filtering in here. If it is disable, you have to make it enable. Then once you assign a rule, you have to say either allow or deny. So I will say deny, add a MAC address. I will add this MAC address here. Then the description is no need to access, no need to access the internet, and the status is enable. Save. There you go, guys. This is how you can do the MAC filtering. So now what I have done in here is this client may no longer access the internet. So it is proved 100% it is blocked. And let me see if I want to connect the same access point. Let's see what's gonna happen. Once it click in here, let's see what's gonna happen. If it assign the IP, that means the MAC filtering doesn't work. If it assign the IP, means it doesn't work. There you go, unable to join the network wireless security. Why? Because of the MAC filtering, guys. This is how we can do the MAC filtering. If anyone you think it's really a nice your network and create a problem in your network and using or consuming too much internet, this is how you can block or eliminate using MAC filtering. All right, I hope the concept and the purpose of MAC filtering is clear. Let's dive into the next procedure.